Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this whole house sediment 5 micron water filter. This is the 10 inch by 4.5 inch, also used in the big blue tubs. We have these water sediment filters. This is a pack of 4. This is a whole house water filter which removes sand, silt, scale, and rust particles in residential and municipal water supplies, and it extends the life of your home appliances. So this one is a box of 4. This one does have a multi-layer density. So you've got inside, it's got the 10 micron larger pores to enhance dirt holding capacity. Inside that is a 7 micron fine filter to lock in smaller particles, and the main side it has a 5 micron absolute micron to stop all the sediments, so rust, dirt, salt, all that. For big ones that are bigger than the 5 micron. So what you'll do is to install it is super easy. It fits these standard blue capsules of 10 by 4.5 inch whole house blue housing. It is compatible with SimPure, Aquapure, Collagen, American Plumber. So the meltdown sediment is 100% polypropylene, no blinders, no solvents, no wetting agents, no anti-static agents. So I did replace one of my filters before, and because since I have really bad water, it is time for me to replace it again. So this is a manufactured using food grade 100% polypropylene material. It provides a 5 micron filtration rating, which is effectively removes 99% of sediment, dirt, rust, sand, particles, and more, keeping water clean and fresh so you can drink, you can take showers. It is a universal side. It fits 10 inches by 4.5 inches, can be used under the sink for filtrations, reverse osmosis, applications, whole house with 10 inches. So the great thing about this, it does give you 4, so each one of these should last 3 to 6 months depending on your water. So right here is my old one. I need to fill it again. It has been about 3 months since we have really bad water here in Arizona. I constantly have to change these for every 3 months. So the great thing about this is you do get 4. I am happy that I do get 4. With these 4 will last me at least 12 months. So it helps for drinking, personal care, cooking. So I do use these on the big blue that are 10 inches by 4.5 inches, and I have no issues. So you can also refer to the CTO F10B5, which is the other filter that goes along with this. I would say if you're looking for a good filtration filter replacement, I would say check these ones out. These ones work really great. Each one of these lasts 3 to 6 months depending on your water. For me, this lasts 3 months, so with this 4-pack, I get a whole year worth of supply of clean water.